Every day I watch flittering thoughts shot at, eating, put in cages, flying machine gun at my window. You sound mysterious. I wish I could fly real high. Vandalize morning, tormenting sky. Migrate the threat, so cold. Kick from the nest, I won't comply. Chasing dreams in a glassy fury. Please don't fly away, please don't fly away, please don't fly away. I had to recover. The exit taught me. A few times I transcend, a few times I liked it. It cooked different, didn't taste the same. Do you know what I say? Please don't fly away, please don't fly away. I'm finished with the manipulation. I'm old-fashioned again. Every day I watch two mourning doves snuggling a branch, hanging around, wooing each other. They know I am watching, but they never look back. Princely they are, dressed in their finest haute couture, and have seen it all before. They don't care about endless rain. They don't care about existential pain. Please don't fly away. Please don't fly away. Please don't fly away. Speeding blue bullets shooting through the sky, looking for a new home after the storm. They don't care about endless rain. They don't care about existential pain. Please don't fly away. Please don't fly away. Please don't fly away. Memory waits from another window. Memory, hidden room, private table. Blackout windows, eclipse paparazzi rain. She landed, transported. Vicious heels slashing the floor. The raven transported, shivering feathers or monkey fur. I can't remember. And she said we were mad to eat. Past the finest cocaine under the table. Under the table. Fly real high. Vandalize the tourmaline sky. Please don't fly away. killing each other, you fucking idiots. Birds of Mars. Birds of Mars. Birds of Mars.